Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving into a surprising fact about the Yoruba movie industry. There are some amazing actors and actresses who aren't actually Yoruba by tribe. They're Igbos, but they've mastered the Yoruba language and become stars in the Yoruba film scene. Let's take a look at 5 talented individuals who are making waves. Number 1 on our list is Leven Nigeria. He was born and raised in Lagos. Kevin is actually from the Igbo tribe of Delta State, known as Nollywood bad boy. Kevin has acted in over 100 movies in both English and Yoruba, showing off his incredible versatility. And the second of our list is, of course, the most beautiful, Ngozi Nwosu. She is originally from Abia State. Ngozi started her career in Yoruba film. She's actually a powerhouse in Nollywood, starring in popular shows like Rippers and Food House of Commotion.
Third on the list is Clarence Shukura, a veteran actress and mother of Nigerian music video director and filmmaker Clarence Peters. Clarence has acted in countless Yoruba movies despite being from Anambra State. Her career has been groundbreaking, and she was even the first Nigerian to win the Best Actress Award at the First Paco Film Festival in 1982.
Number 4 on our list is Leven Nigeria, a proud Igbo woman who has craved a name for herself in the Yoruba movie industry. She is now a leading actress and producer, known for hit films like Akon and Ewatomi. So, the last but not the least is Nkechi Blessing Sunday. Born in Lagos to Igbo parents, Nkechi speaks Yoruba so fluently that you would think she was a native speaker. She appeared in numerous Yoruba films, including the popular Kafila Omo Ibadan and Omo Geleki. These talented Igbos have not only embraced the Yoruba culture, but have also become household names in the Yoruba movie industry. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content. And if you're on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, hit that follow button. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ta-da!